Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to shut down Windows 11 via the Start menu. So click on Start. Now here guys you will see this power option. So click on this power icon. Now here guys you see some options like Hibernate, Shutdown and Restart. So just select Shutdown. Click on Shutdown. It will close all apps and turns off the PC off. So this is the very simple and basic way to shut down your Windows 11, Windows 7 or Windows 10 PC or laptop. Click on Start and click on this power icon and again click on Shutdown. So thanks for watching and please comment on this basic video useful for you or not, and please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.